Hello everyone, my name is Nawaki Chilo and today I'm going to talk about ASC International Business Program. International business manager require knowledge and skill beyond those normally required in business, such as researching local market and competitors and m- managing an organization with management knowledge of legal and currency transaction. It is not enough to have the skill one had when running the companies domestically. One must formulate management policies that fit the local cultures before operating it. The management philosophy and leadership skills to organize the organization based on a success of multinational companies depend on the employees' successful multinational establish the strategic framework for productive the cooperation among the employees and with surrounding stakeholders. Global niche strategies is to expand the monopolize the market shared by finding an untapped niche market where the companies can maximize its strength among various markets around the world. First, the companies focus on the areas where it operates and has stressed and identify the core of product to be sold. The next, the company surveys to need the unfilled segment of existing the market and the market where it can gain the new customers in the futures. Specifically, investigate where it is investment, whether it is physically feasible to approach that market. Then the product innovations which require specialized and highly skilled employees and leadership that can flexibly adapt to customers' need to learn to the business. It's essential to creating the highly different product that customers demand. E-commerce e-commerce enable companies to buy and sell the product and service online that they wish to sell abroad, leading the business opportunities. How, how, However, it is also true that there are various issues that need to be considered to some extent where turning international e-commerce into the business. For example, a product that is in demand in United States may not sell well overseas due to cultures different. And if the company set up the website introducing the product and the service sell there, but are the considered sell brand, companies must understand that language issues, the payment method, and the law of the countries in which they are operating their own store may differ. Regarding the payment method, one must understand that different countries have different current currency and tax rate, as well as preferred payment method. When alliance sanitation companies consider the marketing new the innovation hygiene product outside of the United States, it should be researched for and demand in the product category in advanced. As the examples that the global market for hygiene product is expected to expand following of the pandemic due to increasing interest in maintaining the cleanliness and hygiene in commercial areas. When choosing the business model for exporting the product, domestically and internationally. It is necessary to determine to which the countries and what price. First, the marketing research should be conducted in to advance to ensure that exporting the product or technological foreign countries does not violate any business law or rules. And some countries do not employ monet, monetary transactions, but rather barter. There are many forms of counter trade, including barters and switch trade and counter buy and buy back. And the method should be choosing to switch the nature of the goods or service to be exported. There are two types of promotion strategies, push marketing and pull marketing, which use different methods for the promote sales. Push type marketing refer to the approach in which the companies actively market to its customers. It is mainly used when the broad awareness of the product being promoting is low, or when the product itself, such as the new product, has not yet penetrated the general public in terms of the usage. By focusing on that value of the product being sold and providing the detailed information about the product appeal, the companies can compete with existing the brand. Pull type marketing is a style of approaching customers by waiting for item to conduct us rather than the approaching them on sales. It is an effective promotional strategies when the customers are already aware of the target product but have not yet made the purchase. By showing the superiorities of the product over competing the product, the customers can be easily image themselves using that product and are more likely to make the purchase. A location strategist is planned that innovate determine the company's objective, the finding the appropriate location and achieve them. That choosing the location affect not only the company's competitiveness but also the operating the cost and the product price. When the choosing of the production site, a field must consider that available of the raw material, human resource, and the other resource need for the production. Once a site of choosing the field must select and upload appropriate design for the facilities. For example, to set up the plant of the product, sales product for distributions, the facilities must be designed to allow for centrally control, and the companies can reduce the transportation cost by the procure locally the raw materials needed to manufacturing and process that product. When the companies operate globally, it is rule of the human resource managers to ensure that overseas location and staff with the right peoples, the country's market and customers. Ethnocentric staffing is the most commonly employees type of the staffing, and it involves hiring that right peoples for international business based on the manager's ideas of the same nationalities as the parent company. This approach is using when the opening the new office in the new countries because it is easier and more convenient to transfer companies procedure and policies from the parent companies to the new divisions. Polycentric staffing is local hiring of staffing for the overseas branch office and is using when the management policies it is in the house countries do not mess well with the cultures of the foreign countries, with the main objective of supplementing the skills need for the management with locally hired personnel. By understanding the local cultures, it is possible to operate the business in line with the value of the local employees, which has the added benefit of improving the employees' morale. Finally, geocentric staffing is international recruitment method that hire the best person for the job, regardless of nationalities. This method allows for the deployment of senior executive with international experiments and close borders contract give them competitive edge in the management of global business. Thank you for listening.